How do you get it to start recording again? I can't remember. Oh, maybe it's going.
Mom, should I help you start recording it again?
I think it's recording.
Huh?
I think it's recording. Is that your bike?
Yeah.
Okay, go sit on it. Go sit on your bike for me.
Mom.
It's recording.
Mom.
What?
Over. You're taking a picture of the truck.
I know, the truck's in there too. But I want to get a picture of you sitting on your dirt bike.
Yeah.
Okay? Can you climb on there?
I'll probably start it.
How old are you going to be?
Oops.
Isaac.
I'm not gonna get on it.
You're not going to get on it?
No, because when I hit this foot thing.
Yeah, then it tipped a little bit, but it won't tip over. Isaac, how old are you going to be next Saturday? Do you remember? You're going to be 4. There you go. Wow. That's a pretty awesome dirt bike you have. Is Daddy going to be able to keep up to you this summer?
Huh?
Is Daddy going to be able to keep up to you this summer?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Whoa! Your
The first
crash!
crash.
You got your first crash already. Yeah.